Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to be successful at anything you are doing. So, if you are new on my channel, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get the latest updates from me. Thank you very much for your time as we dive into the main business of the day. How to be successful at anything you are doing. The truth is that you do not need to be special. You just have to be what other people are not. Be consistent, be determined, and be willing to work for it. There is no shortcut in life. Life is a process. You must put in the practical work to get the practical result. That is what life is. You don't need to sit down and fold your hand expecting miracle to happen. You must put in work. You must do something. Even God say, I will bless the work of your hand. So for you to be successful at anything you are doing, you must be consistent. You must be determined. You must be willing to work for it. Working for it is putting in effort to get result. So if you are new on this channel, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. As I explain further, being consistent means putting in more effort in everything you are doing. For instance, if you are working a 8 to 5 work or a 9 to 5 work, you go to work every day, right? That's just the truth. To deliver what you are being employed for. So you being a business owner, you must still put in that same effort to deliver your own personal business. Being consistent, it should be every day. As life is a process, a step by step, a gradual process. This is my advice, and this is also what I am telling myself every day. Today is very tough. Tomorrow is more tougher. The day after tomorrow is beautiful, but most people die tomorrow evening. You have to work very hard. Every tough days and every tough situations, problems are met. That is the training of yourself. Let me explain this for you. I know you may not understand. When something is tough, you put in more effort. The more tougher it is, the more effort you put. When the result comes out, it becomes beautiful. People celebrate you. People congratulate you that you have done a very nice job. When the problems meet, after the tough time, when problems meet, the result, the solution to the problem, the positive result of that problem you solve is the result. That is your greatness. Do not be scared to solve problems. Do not be scared of tough time. Do not be afraid of tough things. Take action. Be serious in life. Be consistent in life. Be determined to do what you are doing. And be willing to put in your time. As I earlier said, there is no shortcut in life. You must put in the practical work to get the practical result. No matter how tough it is, do not give up. No matter how hard it is, do not give up. Keep pushing. Try your possible best to get a positive result. No matter how hard the situation is, to be successful in life is not a day job. The journey of 1,000 miles starts with a step. So take the first step today. Be smart. Be dedicated to your work, to whatsoever you are doing, and the sky will be your first step. Being successful, you have to be disciplined. You have to discipline yourself. For the truth is this, it's not easy. The process is not easy. Making money is not easy. So you have to face the challenges. You have to overshadow the challenges. You have to overcome it and win it at last. If you find this video interesting, I would like you to drop your comment below. Thank you very much for your time. I am Peter Winganani, your host today. Thank you for your time. Do well to like and subscribe.